In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets under $300 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HUION KAMVAS 16. The HUION 15.6-inch pen tablet monitor is a high-performance digital drawing tablet designed for artists and creators, featuring a vibrant 1920 by 1080 IPS display that supports 16.7 million colors and boasts a 1000:1 contrast ratio. With an active drawing area of 344.16 by 193.59 mm, the tablet offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a pen resolution of 5,080 lpi, ensuring precise and responsive input. The device supports a variety of operating systems, including Windows 7 or later, macOS 10.12 or later, and Android via USB 3.1, making it versatile for different users. It includes 10 programmable press keys for customizable shortcuts and operates with a battery-free pen technology that utilizes electromagnetic resonance. The tablet features a sleek design with an anti-glare matte finish, and its dimensions are 423.52 by 253 by 12 mm, weighing just 1.26 kilograms. Additional options include an adjustable stand, enhancing user comfort during creative sessions. Number 2. XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro. The XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro is a versatile pen tablet monitor designed for digital artists and creative professionals, featuring a compact 13.3-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a tilt support of up to 60 degrees, allowing for natural and precise drawing experiences. The device is equipped with a user-friendly interface that includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and a red dial, enhancing workflow efficiency. With a color gamut of 88% NTSC and advanced full laminated technology, it delivers vibrant colors and sharp images while minimizing glare. The tablet is compatible with various operating systems and popular creative software, making it a practical choice for artists. Additionally, the package includes essential accessories such as a portable stand, a battery-free stylus, and replacement nibs, ensuring users have everything they need to start creating immediately. Number 3. Ugee UE 12 Plus. The Ugee UE 12 Plus is a feature-rich pen tablet monitor designed for digital artists and creators, offering an 11.9-inch full laminated FHD, 1920 by 1080, anti-glare screen with a vibrant 147% sRGB color gamut and a 1000:1 contrast ratio for an immersive, zero-parallax drawing experience. It comes with a battery-free, pencil-like stylus featuring 16,384 pressure levels, 60 degrees tilt recognition, and 2 programmable hotkeys for smooth, natural, and efficient drawing. The tablet includes a scroll wheel and 8 customizable shortcut keys for enhanced control and workflow optimization. With dual USB-C ports, it allows flexible connectivity, including single-cable operation and additional power support for uninterrupted use. Compact and portable, its active area of 263.2 by 148.1 mm and dimensions of 224 by 355 by 12 mm make it a versatile tool for creative professionals. Number 4. GAOMON PD1161 Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 is an 11.6-inch IPS HD graphics drawing tablet monitor designed for digital artists, beginners, and professionals. It features a full HD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a 16:9 aspect ratio, providing vibrant and precise visuals. The tablet offers 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity with a battery-free ArtPaint AP50 pen, ensuring smooth, accurate, and natural drawing experiences without the need for charging. It includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and 5 menu keys for enhanced productivity and convenience. Lightweight and portable at just 866 g, the PD1161 is easy to carry for on-the-go creativity. With a report rate of 266 pps, a resolution of 5080 lpi, and a sensing height of 10 mm, it delivers high performance for various creative tasks like drawing, animation, photo editing, and more. The device is compatible with Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.12 or later and supports popular software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio, and Creator. Connectivity is seamless with mini HDMI and Type-C ports. It also allows users to annotate directly on documents or during web conferencing. Note that the PD1161 is not a standalone device and requires connection to a computer. It comes with a 1-year warranty for non-human-made damages. Number 5. HUION KAMVAS Pro. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 24, 4K, is a high-performance pen tablet monitor designed for digital artists and professionals. It features a 23.8-inch full-laminated IPS screen with quantum dots LED technology, delivering stunning 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, and vibrant color accuracy. The tablet supports 8192 pressure levels, plus or minus 60-degree tilt functionality, and a responsive PenTech 3.0 PW517 stylus for a natural drawing experience. With a resolution ratio of 5080 lpi and a report rate exceeding 220 pps, 300 pps, it ensures precision and fluidity in creative work. The device offers versatile connectivity options, including HDMI, DP, and full-featured USB-C, and is compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android systems. It supports popular digital art software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, and more. Additionally, it can connect to mobile devices via USB-C for enhanced portability, with support for desktop modes on select Huawei, Samsung, and Smartisan phones. The KAMVAS Pro 24, 4K, combines advanced features with strong compatibility to meet the needs of professional creators.